We need to have a talk. Stop doing this.
911, what's your emergency?
This ain't right. I'm gonna teach you how to make your cake boards look nice and professional, just like the other cake decorators. If this is your first time here, you might want to consider hitting that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any more videos like these or anything that's cake related. I do cake tutorials, cake recipes, sometimes I do cake hauls. But anyways, let's continue. You will need a foam board, a hot glue gun, and they actually sell the hot glue gun sticks at the Dollar Tree as well. Dry circle wall cutter, a circle wall cutter, something like that, I forget. The link will be in the description box. Pair of scissors, adhesive shelf liner. This one I actually got from Target because they don't have white in the Dollar Tree. But they do have all of these here. And I was really surprised when I saw the clear one. I was really excited because I had a great idea for it. So keep watching if you want to see what I ended up doing with that. So right here, I'm just measuring out what size I'm gonna do for my cake board. And right here, I was doing a really small one, like a 5-inch one. So you just poke a hole in the foam board and you just slowly start to do the circle. And then you flip over the board, exactly where you see the little hole, you put the little needle in, and then you cut out the circle again. Now, if you don't have one of those, you could always get like a little X-Acto knife cutter from the Dollar Tree. That's what I used to do back in the day when I didn't have one. So for a cake drum, you want to make sure it's nice and thick, so make sure you cut out 3 of them. Now you're gonna go ahead and get your glue gun and glue your circles together. Once that's set, you can get your scissors to start trimming off the edges if there's like little pieces sticking out. And normally I would take the little back paper, whatever that is, off first and then place on the board. But this one was a little complicated when I was trying to cut it. It was getting stuck together. It was like very sticky. See me doing like a little circle all around, and that was like totally unnecessary. You could literally just leave it how it is. But anyways, here you see me grabbing a piece of the sticky paper thing and placing it onto the board so that it didn't move around as I started cutting around the board. Once that was set, I started taking the little pieces and sticking them all around the board like this. And you're gonna flip it over and just push out all the air bubbles. Okay, so here, like I said, I ended up doing it the normal way that I do it. Just cut out a little square and place in your circle and then cut your strips like this. Now for the transparent one, I thought it would be super smart to just get some wrapping paper and to use that. While you're doing this, make sure you're doing it exactly how I'm doing it. While the wrapping paper is still on like the rollo, make sure you do it like that because then you might get it stuck and then it'll crease up. So just do it like that. So obviously the wrapping paper has no stickiness to the back of it. So I did use some tape to stick the board to the wrapping paper. Once that was set, I grabbed some tape again and started sticking it on like this. And if you have any pieces that are lifting up, make sure you add tape to it like that. And also don't forget, you can get ribbon at the Dollar Tree as well. Make sure to add it to the border of your cake drum. It just makes it look a lot cleaner, sharp, and professional. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that circle button right over here so that you can subscribe to my channel and you won't miss out on any more videos like these. And if you're new here, make sure to click on these videos so you can take a look around my channel. Thank you so much for watching. God bless.